It's in the media, many a marine, Banadia, me and Mikasa, Yami, Dynamic Woo. But then Yamia said, Papa.
Why will you be spending public monies like this? Mr. Mahama, can you just please, for the first time in your life, have mercy on the ordinary people in Ghana? That is what we are pleading for. We beg you. Sir, we beg you. We know you don't care, but at least, like my brother said, have something credited to your name that this is what you came to do for Mother Ghana. Please, we are begging you. The way you have started, if we don't do something about it, I am scared of the future of these people, because just not 1 year and all the negative news. Why will you cancel university utility? Why will you force parents to come and pay something for the last 8 years that they have not been paying? Why will you ask parents to now go and feed their children? Why will you do this? Why? When you promise the opposite. So please, we beg him. We beg him. We have been disobedient to God, but please, we beg him.
Mr. Fathers, a plane, not as a Samson, it will real. No other cop. No one said the abba. Into a real so we are now playing so no rent. It is kind of best how call my coffee, what I say. Ghana for a dear some young cancho. A crowd on copra can. Someone hammer yam within the baby. And yeah, ye my mostly you. Nana do I say, and Nana do I say, and Nana do I say. Universities not yes I do on fee be a home to electricity no. Yeah, me dobra. Me the papa. One electricity, one year water met, only be beer. A dear go for the better beyond half family. Now me empire me born as an answer me social media papa bia your voice and then we say what in the back watch water. Yes, one cheers can schools no. Ya be more much and anke be me do me say me ja so le so ada mete so mo see schools ni nyina la o mo betwa na me white akwadanya me ase me white akwadanya because Ghana for me no asem me say bra me no obi think commerce no unuma the current I want to amen pipia wonya mpanyimfo ni bi Facebook no send a message one reply na am say Obey the one we said, a year one no and answer will be in the picture at all.
It's true. It's true. Well,
they say,
when they said it to you,
and you said, blood now I come across it. The one to Abano, Obua was a man cotto, the reason they say, I would see a beer now, both. It's in the media, many marine Banadia, me and Mikasa Yami Dynamic Woo. With Danya Mias, Papa. Nancy and them grannies with a garino. Some Gradomunia garinins wish ye. With Danya Mias, bra. Now make up the smart in the mirror estimate time or no, oil some journey. Or Pastor Muhammad then to board the Sunton was started Kamubi, or per board be swackoda.
Tiwapa. Captain so no need to bet me actual.
Now all my effort from we baby equaye cremonia then I to lotteries, yeah, papa. Where papa cremonio not now to lotteries, so no so I accept it. Papa. Now moment number cast about me, I will pro. Mr. Yami, I bet you I'm okay, Mayo. Some cremo for what's the one among your cremony, good and must say, Mamma Bonten crowd demonstrators, and no. Won't me fast have you in your politics. Yeah, your politics, dear. But same boy when you can't see a commotion, you go moon, and master tan. Then you had to walk to Lotus. Say, Matthias as in cremo for organic Loto. Won't me can't jam some moon charlotte. Back be cried as any as what to pluck not this time the ammonia lota can one yamiasi. It's made a member, yes, cigar and the yaman am done as you. And then you may read the crowd that some when I'm in your red this will be best friend as to send the best school fees be. Nama I like you. First, the brand support on my Mayfina antenna. And a cram chair crowd or enemy.
I contribute to be more. First time here, and you're autistic and you for the
Send your phone no crowd cancer phone. Omo kwa me cancel phone. I free education ye be dia da no aka cho tan. No me busan say wo fi so ha ye ni free education. Ke betimi ahwe ye mesku asasen no muska. Waka sister we so de mo de mo tete abroche no maso. Na so aha ya so madwe ya mu. Wonim de abobla time wonim time aba me da so me ni kura ntimi nka mu so. Aha wonye obi kura na ni nkomo je sa telephone. Na ukonye adwuma kra wo nko na wo kohye mu fiti ahomache na akopema sa ade be chekwa de amobo obetie ensem yi so sa abe TikTok ni Facebook no hwan eno ha ne de jejiye no mo de mo te Ghana na yete abroche aha sumdue be na wa asumdue be ne wo kro we sei bra ide mami ja no obi mla so na me de mo mo nsuma Ghana fo mo nsuma mo ho Ghana for me say dia mahama ebe ye omkrawe omonketwa enura meti so obi si ya te petrol cost ya say to petrol na say na petrol na ya mahama dia ya to so we job so no ono so tuma say no ano no wan tuma mbenye de ekufo adu koto bi musmo ya beto abade e be chiami ato abaya to petrol to munti bi da na sam ke ya ntumuso na Ghana ye ni petrol so anka dia sam na mbeka ni nyina munsi ahwe say petrol na nye ya dia omu to free baby na de bagana nti atumo ha de na abe na mahama aba na o se atuma me nkwaka bi na ma be jan o yi level ho a level onyi nya de mahama menyi sakra times no tum eslo wa de one na ngo se on fa plan kwade da so pi okọ bibi o me on fa plan kwada nas bra me da fe
They don't question if Sebi the media na anka ye consider as the being the fourth organ of this country, and I say every country, no. Anka once media, the most of the time the media is seen as neutral. Anka Okudzeto should be asked to resign. Anka they have to question time I want a dispatch aduane no. The media na wo ho no. Example one question say this same rice mo kan wa sem say one wa sign a bargain of fofo and one wa delete expiring date na yeden afiri ho and one di masku kwala Okudzeto ko voter region amama for koye demo against the right that the government of Ghana at that time poison school kwala the same rice and mama buy no me the minimum or buy and then answer no on the rice a free abrochire abana and then this thing sabi Captain Smart no mo be kan ho asem ene ayi no they are not saying it benimum sabi en kwasi asem ne nyama ehun hia atemdidie ene ayi ana won eka ehun asem edebe nyansa na yi mama always saying nanado in terms of life experience, in terms of even governance, in terms of politics abrabo edebe no always saying nanado mahama etna so yen nyina yenim say na make catch obi say it's not about adding the megawatt, it's about managing what we have. Oh ade no wo ho untumi manage udi bi beka ho it doesn't make sense. Mahama tra so na mahama nim they be make on the 15th, it was 15th of March 2015. He himself said that the power crisis na wo Ghana is as a result of our inability to power a machines na ye den ye won na at that time ntumi nye scam fin tua gas ne sa enema nana do aba betra so 8 years nana do sebi onim nyansa ne kwase mu no o mayenkania for 8 good years metese Captain Smart ka se nana do ebetra so no for 3 good years nie for a years nie wantua light ho kada na saka ne da ho na mama obe free so gaben ben na wa free so a all kon wanyaka in any sector be ni ho sector be ni wa na wo oman mu a aban bi ebe free so a onya ka ento
Even America crampa the giant economy and I say crampo aban e free so e kada ho. Onwa won bobe san crampo edeka. Mama ebe free so no na energy no na e kana ho. But nana do my light a good years. Captain Smart and then a more opportunity to get work at with Onua FM because Onua FM has access to electricity. People have access to electricity to charge their phones. People have access to electricity to turn on their radios and then listen to his short nonsense. How can you open your mouth and say, we Mahama, and Yansan no nimsing a kufadwa and Kalite issues and Kalite do. Now, going forward, you know, asama ene mikoshia Kibi College of Education test corner one executives we know we know that as MPP we have to admit 2016 we had a lot of intellectuals who came on board. I won't be my uni election, such as lecturers uni, College of Education teachers, even architecture for a child or secondary schools. They came to help on the year pulling agents. Some even at a key position of party agents. Some use their lecture halls to even educate students. They need to vote for NPP. And then all these things were seen by the party. But after party winning pan, we neglected all these people. It's time we have to say sorry to them and then bring them back on board. Sanya, no need EKM. We are building human capacity. And yes, Sabe, Tafrache, Nia Yebedi, and asking Yebeyeno ene. And then the essence or the importance of education. MPP, we believe in education. Tenipa yembrain, yebe develop.